Are you worried about weak bones? Meet the Bone Density Solution by Shelly Manning, your ultimate guide to bone health. This lifestyle-based program is designed to naturally boost your bone density and strength. Osteoporosis affects millions worldwide and often goes unnoticed until a fracture occurs. Its emotional and physical impacts are severe, making awareness and preventative action crucial. The Bone Density Solution offers a unique 14-step plan that addresses root causes of osteoporosis without relying on medications or supplements. The first key benefit is that it provides a structured approach to improving overall health. Secondly, it emphasizes anti-inflammatory nutrition and gut health, vital for bone regeneration. Lastly, it integrates safe movement practices to build strength and reduce the risk of falls. The program focuses on essential nutrition, emphasizing whole foods over processed options. You will learn about the importance of gut health and nutrient absorption, making dietary choices that enhance your body's bone strengthening capacity. Here's how it works. You start by learning the foundational principles of anti-inflammatory nutrition and gut health. The guide takes you through easy-to-follow steps that promote a bone-supportive diet. Next, it incorporates gentle, weight-bearing exercises to safely stimulate your bones. You'll even learn stress reduction techniques that enhance your emotional wellness, vital for reducing cortisol levels that can weaken bones. Real users have reported feeling stronger and more confident after following the program. Many have seen improvements in their overall mobility, energy levels, and even their emotional resilience. The takeaway is clear. The Bone Density Solution doesn't just support bone health. It empowers individuals to take control of their overall wellness. Click the link in the description below to start your journey towards a stronger, healthier future with the Bone Density Solution.